We have once more accomplished it and have made it even better. An improved hand-safe system that does not require skin contact with the blade, but stops when the hand, even a single finger, crosses a safety perimeter monitored by a camera. A camera with a microprocessor equipped with artificial intelligence, trained to detect all possible sizes and shapes in which a hand or fingers exceed that perimeter. Which makes it the safest wood-cutting saw on the market, in addition to the most technologically advanced, protecting the integrity of the worker at all times and circumstances. Hand Safe with artificial intelligence, a new frontier in safety, by Sima.